It's a colorful night, got red eyes, but it's all blue. Those colorful eyes, they don't shine like they used to.
Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing really well today. Today's video is going to be an after dark clean with me, and I hope you get some extreme cleaning motivation from it. I just decluttered and reorganized my bathroom. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it above, but this is a bit of the remains from that. It's quite a disaster, so I am going to take you with me and get this place cleaned up. Someone's a sleepy puppy over here. Someone's so tired. And someone's naughty. Were you a naughty dog? Yes, I think you were. That. What is that? What is that? No trash. No trash. Look at those eyes. Why did you get into the trash, puppy? Why do you keep getting into the trash? Huh? What's that? What's that? That's right. No trash. Naughty puppy. Naughty puppy. Going in there. I'm starting by putting away the laundry that I had sitting all over our bed. I had already folded that earlier. And then I'm also going to put away all of my organizational containers that I have. You can probably see lying around all over the place, and those are just from the Dollar Tree, Target, and Walmart. And like I said, you can watch my bathroom organization video. It was such a transformation. I'm so happy with it, and still to this day it's working for us perfectly. It's really helping us to keep our bathroom clean because everything has a home. So next I just wanted to tidy up in my closet a little bit. Let me know, when is your favorite time, or maybe not your favorite time, but when do you usually get the most cleaning done in your home? For me, because I work full-time outside of the home, I pretty much do most big cleaning projects on the weekend, just because by the end of the day I'm exhausted, and if my husband's home in the evening I just want to spend time with him, so I try not to do too much during the week. So the weekend is when we really catch up with all of our cleaning and any projects we want to get done. But I pretty much get by the whole week without having to do too much cleaning. It's probably not ideal, but when you work full time, it kind of has to work that way if you want to have a life. So that's how it works for me. I really try to come up with routines and also just organizing my home in a way that works for us, because when everything has a home, it doesn't need to be cleaned up so much. And I'm constantly changing up my routine, changing up my schedule, and just seeing what I can do to make the most of the time that I'm given. For example, I try to get up really early in the morning every day, like around 5 a.m. I would love to get up earlier, but right now 5 a.m. is about the earliest I'm doing. So I do that so that I can get all of my stuff done, like working on my business, all the stuff, working on YouTube, all the stuff that I want to do before I have to head off to work. And since I got all my stuff done in the morning, when I come home, I'm able to just give the rest of the evening just spent with my husband, so that I don't have to do anything else, but I can feel okay with sitting down and just giving him my full attention. I'm not always perfect at it, but I'm definitely working on it. But getting up early really works to make that happen for me. On the days that I don't get to, I kind of am scrambling to make it all work. But I would love to hear how you make it work. If you'd like to see me do a video on how to get yourself to get up early every day or be motivated in the morning, just let me know, because I have been thinking about doing a video on that, because I have found some things that have really helped me be able to keep it up and get up that early and be motivated to do it. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing if you like these kinds of videos. But other than that, I'm going to just go ahead and let you enjoy the music and hopefully get some motivation and maybe clean with me. So I'm not going to actually do any talking in the rest of this video, so I hope you enjoy it. and I'll catch you at the end.
To make you cry, I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. We're only human. We're only human. We're only human after all. We're only human. We're only human. We're only human after all. Hear me when I say I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing, I promise. It's not enough to make you cry. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. We're only human. We're only human after all. At the end of the day, we're only human. We're only human after all.
I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you, I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood.
Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me. No, I can't get enough of what you do. No, I can't get enough of what you do. Enough of what you do.
I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me. Ooh. I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You said my words.
It's always surprising how much dust builds up on this dining table, so I'm just dusting it off real quick, but that's pretty much going to do it. It was pretty late by this time, and I actually was coming down sick with the flu. I didn't know it at this point, but I was starting to feel it a little bit, so I ended up getting pretty sick after this, so it was definitely time to stop and go to bed. But that brings me to the end of this video. Like I said, I hope you all are doing really well, and let me know in the comments how you are, and I just love chatting with you down there, and I hope you'll stick around for my next video, and I'll see you really soon. Bye!
I don't know what I'd do without